Welcome to TechnoDadLife, where we build, learn, and create as a community. And on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you my workflow to make a video. And so the easy part is actually figuring everything out. The longer part is actually making the video. It takes quite a while, actually. And so today I'll show you my little secrets that I have. And so just a little sneak before the thing here. So we need one of these, which is a camera holder, and we need one of these, which is the iPad. And so if you like this video, make sure you like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and here we go now. And a special thanks to all my patrons who, without your support, this channel would not be possible. Thank you. And if you haven't already, please check out my Patreon page. So let's get started. So we're going to be going over how and what I use to make videos in hotel rooms. So here's my camera. It's a Sony a6400. I bought this because it has that flip-up screen. It has great autofocus, and I would definitely recommend this. Also, it has an audio jack, which is very important because we are using wireless audio. So this is the receiver. You plug it in on the side of the camera there. And then this is actually the microphone that you see in my videos. I usually clip it to my collar. This is very handy. I used to have a wired one. It doesn't work very well with the wired one. You fall over it, knock your cam over. So this is the little bracket that you attach so it doesn't block your screen. And so here, I'll just attach it. So this just clips right in there. And then you just plug it into the side here. So I'll do that. And so this is what it looks like with it's plugged into the side. So when the camera is up, that just sort of all flops down to the side and it's not in the way at all. And here you can see it's definitely not blocking any part above the camera at all, so it doesn't block the flip-up screen at all. And so one of the nice things that I like about this camera is it is also 4K. And there you can see it says a little 4K on there. And so it's the only camera in its class that can record in 4K I think it's at 60p, 60 frames per second. And how you do a recording is you press that little red button and then it will start recording. And to record, you need to put it on some type of stand. And so this is a Manfrotto stand, and you can see it's pretty simple and easy. So basically, just set it on something. There you can see it says Manfrotto. And then you can see over on the left-hand side the little dot, and that's how you change the position. These are my LED lights. They're just on stands. I use the paper towel to soften it a little bit. And that just mutes the light so it's not quite so bright. It does have very bright lights. And on the back, it's portable, so you can add in batteries there on the left. And if you turn it on, you can actually change the color from basically yellow to blue by the knob right there, which I'm touching. And you can't really see in the video too much, but there's yellow and more blue, I think. I don't remember. Somebody will add that in the comments. And you can also change the brightness. And there you can see it went off. And there it goes on again. Pretty simple. I like those. Here is my desk. So this is actually where I record the videos when I'm doing Open Media Vaults. And so just notice that I have 2 coffee cups because we need lots of coffee to make sure the magic happens here. And so if we look at the coffee cups, there's my TechnoDadLife coffee mug. And if you want something like this, I have a little store, you can get those. The link is in the description below. I drink lots of coffee, that's why it's well stained. There's an Apple Pencil, I'll go over that in a second. And there's my keyboard, which I use for DaVinci Resolve, which was my original video editing program, but I've stopped using that. There's a microphone for a stand for a portable microphone. My Fifine microphone, which is cheap and great. There's my HP monitor to do the videos. My stand, which is just a bunch of boxes. And if you look back in my videos, you can see this is the computer that I built a while ago. Works great. And so now here's all the equipment I use. I have a computer toolkit there. I have a KVM switch, and so I'm going to be adding an 8-port KVM switch in addition to this 4-port because I have so many computers. Here's one of my Raspberry Pis with a portable hard drive. You'll start to notice that I have lots of stuff because I'm always experimenting. Here's another Raspberry Pi, which I haven't put together yet, with a case. And then underneath there is an action camera, which I'm going to be using for overhead videos there. And then if we look behind those, we can see I have a couple Nooks. And so 2 regular Nooks and 1 Bevy Nook, which I bought ultra cheap, and I have a video about that if you're interested in Bevy Nooks. In front there I have some USB drives, so which I used for testing things and putting hardware or software on. And then there's a that's the portable mic in there. There's a windscreen for it and the power supply, extra laptop hard drives. And then behind that you'll see a Chromebook. And Chromebooks are great because if you have a corrupted hard drive or SD card or something like that, I've found Chromebooks are the only thing that can work with corrupted drives. So basically they just erase everything. Here's one of my original PCs. Almost everything is donated or given to me by free. There's some zip ties, a laptop hard drive case, and then my switch. There's my $99 server, which I bought about 1.5 years ago, which was one of my first videos, I think. And then underneath here I have a pile of laptops. So underneath the bottom one is my IBM ThinkPad, or I think it's called a ThinkPad, which was my first one. I added a hard drive to that. So it has 2 hard drives, an Apple laptop, so when I need Apple stuff, which I got for $80. And then a netbook for when, I don't know, when I want to do netbook stuff. And then here is a Fire tablet. It was my daughter's, which I'm going to be putting Android on, so I'm going to be modding that. Maybe or maybe not, I'll make a video about that. Then if we look up above, you'll notice in my videos, this is actually what you see. And so today you can see I have an iPad up there, and it's actually attached to the network through that cord. And why I have that is because I'm starting to do my videos on that, and a wired network is much faster to transfer videos on and off the iPad with than just the regular Wi-Fi connection. At least my Wi-Fi isn't that fast in my office. So the program that I'm using to edit the videos is called Luma Fusion, and you just sort of tap on things there. You can access network drives or cloud drives or things like that. It is definitely more intuitive than any PC program that I've ever used to edit videos, and I would definitely suggest that. And you know, it's just either use your finger or you use your Apple Pencil, and you just click and go from there. So that's it for today. You have a great day, and bye-bye.